I'm gonna give you guys a quick video on how I lay my frontal. So I'm using an old cap here, and I'm taking the Got2b Glued spray and blasting spray, and I'm blasting it down. I put some Got2b Glued gel on there, just melting the cap back down to my forehead, around my head. It looks kind of bad because it's an old cap and got glue and gel on it. I didn't feel like reapplying that front part, and I'm just doing this video for you guys, so I'm cool with the cap. But you can use a new cap and do it the same way, cut the edges off. Then I'm just gonna take my blow dryer and melt the cap down to my head some more. And it's always important to use a blow dryer because that melts the cap down. As you can see, my hair, I didn't sew the back of the cap down because I didn't choose to do that. I didn't personally want to do that. Didn't have the time, didn't feel like it. But you can sew the cap down so your braids can stay tucked in there, but it really won't make a difference with me and my wig. I'm putting the wig on now, and now it's time to get to the fun part. So it's time to lay their frontal down, honey. So I'm just really measuring out basically where I want my frontal to lay at. I'm going to be using lace grip today. This is my first time using lace grip, but I heard it works really good, so we're going to see. I'm just applying it like dot by dot. So as you can see, the glue came out really thick. I know that's not how glue supposed to be, but that's how it came out. So I'm not sure if it's because of gold or I'm not really sure. So okay, add a little water to it. It works, it's coming out, but it's still kind of like rubbery, but it's working. I need to try this glue. Like, I need my lace to be snatched, honey. So I'm gonna try it. You know, the hard to try. But I added that one layer. I just added one layer to it, and smooth that in, rub that back. Then I'm gonna take my Got2b Glued gel. I applied that kind of like over the lace grip, in between and over the lace grip, just so I can get that extra. Like, I wasn't sure about the lace grip, so I'm like, let me just apply this Got2b Glued gel. Then of course blow dry, let that Got2b Glued dry some, get tacky. So I applied that. Then I applied some more freezing spray. I need this to be snatched. Okay. And I usually just use the Got2b Glued gel. I use the yellow one and then a spray. And I'll be good. But it don't last that long, so I thought I'd try something new. But anyway, I'm gonna put that lace on that forehead, honey. Put that lace where you want it at, though. It should be like 1.5, 2 inches above your hairline. Lay it down. Okay, for a lay it down though. Say lay, I mean lay. So I'm gonna take my edge comb and just make sure that lace is all the way flat, laid down, not balled up or anything. Laid down. Laid. So now I'm gonna take some more freezing spray and spray it around my edges. Then I'm going to get my blow dryer. And I have to make sure them edges is laid, like melted into the skin. You feel me? Now you just blow dry until you feel like it's on there. You feel me? Like, it's on there. And then do the same thing to the other side of your head. Put that lace on there. Make sure that lace is laid down.